Knowing about IYAAMI Eleye Osoronga is like an infinite strand of the DNA. You know, imagine La, the son of Obatala. It's not that I have a special songs for IYAAMI Eleye, and I don't have any special recipe for IYAAMI Eleye. The recipe they requested for individual varies, and the way I do my IYAAMI Eleye sacrifices are always like they're like strings attached to the creator Orisha. You cannot understand the philosophy, but in time you would. Now, when I'm dealing with IYAAMI Eleye, I speak with them freely as if I'm talking to another part of me. You understand me? It's not that. It's not that I have memorized something and I'm following guidelines. No, I speak freely as if I'm talking to another part of me, another version of me. People will say it, I speak authoritatively, but I don't want to say that. But I speak freely.